Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language on Depop. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in depop.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Depop if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you will of course like. In the top right corner, we have the sell now messages, likes, and here we have your profile, selling hub purchases, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the language on Depop. So it is pretty simple, you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. So when you go to the top right corner and click on settings on your PC on the website, as you can see here, you will not have an option to change your language. You can change some details about you and you can go and change your country. But for other things, you have to download the application. When you download the app, open it on your device, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon, same as we did here. Then tap on the settings icon, usually a gear symbol. Select preferences from the menu, and then choose language and select your preferred language from the list. If you don't see the language option in the app, it might be set to follow your device language settings. In that case, you can change the language on your device, and Depop should automatically update to match it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.